uh, we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all messages and prophecies. It is another time and our Somali learning program. Still we are committed our basic chapter, basic chapter, that the Somali pronunciation guide. The last lesson of this chapter, we're gonna look at the O and the consonants. After this, there is a test and dictation, reading. We're gonna make reading exercises. After that, we shall start another chapter. That is A1 or A2. So now let's see the consonants and the O. How bo, to, jo, ho, ho, do, ro, so, sho, no, ho, go, ho, ho, ko, lo, mo, no, wo, o, you. You see, we have placed it O after all consonants, right? Now let's place O before the consonants. Op, ot, oj, or, o, od, or, os, osh, odd, or, oak, ko, 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 lo, mo. Please let me repeat it. Op, ot, oj, or, od, or, os, osh, od, or, og, of, och, all, on, these very different letter. Just instead you use this letter, you can use the double O instead of this O and W. You can use O instead. Some Somalis differ in this situation. Some use OW, some others use double O to express O. We shall make some reading exercise, so please don't worry. We have finished it within the will of God. We have finished this chapter, and we shall start A1 and A2 grammar, advanced level uh, until a perfect level. All right. Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson.